to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do some nail tutorial, you guys. Like, my nails look disgusting. This quarantine is not even giving, it's not even like, and nobody is happy because of this coronavirus pandemic. I know a lot of us have been struggling with our hair, with our nails. I'm going to show you guys how I apply my press-on nails, you guys. Like, press-on nails are so cheap compared to how much you have to pay when you go to the nail salon. And of course, you guys know no nail salon is open right now, so I'm going to share how to use this $7 stick-on nails, you guys, to achieve kind of a professional looking nails. And also I'm going to show you guys how to make it last longer. Like, if you have a problem with your stick-on nails not lasting for maybe 2-3 weeks, I'm going to show you guys all the secrets in today's video. So let's go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So first thing first, we're going to wash those hands with some antibacterial liquid soap. You want to make sure your fingers are free from any grease, oil, or hand lotion. And also, I personally like to get my cuticles wet whenever I'm doing any kind of press-on nails because it will help soften them. So my number one secret to getting that salon perfect professional looking nails, even when you're using press-ons, is to use a cuticle trimmer. I don't know if this is cuticles or cuticles, like, but you guys, at least you know what I'm talking about. Is to use a cuticle to use a cuticle trimmer to remove all the skin around the nails. This will help your nail press into the cuticles, not just sit on top of your skin, which will easily give the secret away that you're using a press-on. And I hate it when my press-ons just sit on top of my cuticles instead of on my nails. And wetting your hands and cuticles first makes this process very easy, you guys. Like, it makes it so much easier because it kind of helps to soften your cuticles. And once I'm done, I'm simply going to use my cuticle pusher to push whatever skin is left backward. Like, you know how sometimes when you're done trimming your cuticles, you have some skin, you know, that are just left in front. So you just need your cuticle pusher to just push everything backward. And all these processes is very crucial if you're having problems with your press-ons not lasting. Once I follow these steps, you guys, my nails last for at least 3 to 4 weeks minimum. And I'm going to use some acetone and cotton balls to wipe off my nails clean. If you get any burning sensation on your cuticles when doing this, that means you didn't do a great job. That means you probably cut yourself while trimming your cuticles. You're not, like, you shouldn't have any cut or feel any pain whatsoever whenever you're using acetone or acetone, oh my gosh, whenever you're using this to clean your nails. And next, I will cut down my natural nail because you don't want to have long nails while putting on some press-ons. And I'm always in the habit of biting off my nails, so I barely have anything to cut. Filing my nails is very important also, so go ahead and use your favorite nail file and file them bad boys. I like to slightly file, guys. Like, everything should be done in moderation. You don't want to file your nails up to maybe your flesh. You just want to, you know, take your time and do this. And also, please excuse my crusty table. These are all foundation concealers, like powders. This is the table I used to film sometimes, so just excuse all those crustiness on the table. And here's the fun part. I'm going to be using a different glue other than the one that came with the nails. Like, the ones that come with the nails are usually garbage, you guys. Like, they don't get nothing done, so I normally just discard them. And every press-on nails come with individual numbers, and this helps you choose your perfect fit. So over here, I'm simply trying on the numbers and fitting them on my nails. Once I get the number I feel will fit my left nail, I look for the same exact number for the right, and that makes it so much easier. Once I've gotten the 10 nails for the 10 fingers, it's now time to begin application. And you guys, the color of this press-on is to die for. Like, this is my perfect kind of nude, and the design, love, love, love. So how I like to apply glue on my nails is to spot the glue on the nail first.
and then just spread it out. You don't want to put a lot of glue on your nails, just a dot, and then you spread it all around, and you can go in with the nail. And when applying press-ons, you want to be careful so you don't get the glue on the nail color, because that will ruin the nail polish. I'm always extra careful doing this because I don't have exactly that color in my home, so trying to fix the problem will definitely be a mess if I get glue on the nail polish. I remember when I used to struggle with my press-on nails. Like I used to hate press-ons, you guys, because number one, whenever I apply press-ons, they always sit on top of my cuticle. So once you look at my fingers, you already know it's press-ons, and I really I hated that until I was able to, like they say, practice makes perfect. So you just, when you start practicing, before you know it, you will get a hang of it. It's actually very, very easy. And when you are applying the nails, you want to make sure that you're not going kind of fat, like very, very close to your cuticles. You want to make sure that the press-on is lapping on your natural nail, and then you push it a little close to the cuticle, not all the way inside your cuticle. You guys, when you go to the salon, when they're applying artificial nails on your fingers, they don't take it all the way down. That's exactly how I do it, and it works just perfect. Alright, so here's how everything looks after I'm all done, you guys. Like, it looks so good. But next, I will file down the nails, and there is always this tiny thing that comes with press-on nails. It's always kind of in front of the nail that when you're all done and you scratch yourself, you will notice like it's very, very abrasive. So I like to go ahead and use my nail file to just file in front of the nail. So while I was filing, I realized I'm not really a fan of the shape the nail came with, so I will just make it more structured. I will go on to the sides and file them down a little. Please, if you're not used to shaping your own nails, practice with another nail that is probably laying around your house before then actually doing it on your press-ons to avoid ruining everything. You just want to practice before then going ahead to try it on like the real press-on that you're using. I will wash my hands one more time to get it looking all nice and fresh, just like they do at the salon. And then to get that salon-like finish, I will use Sally Hansen Cuticle Serum and apply all over my cuticles to keep them all hydrated and moisturized. Then, of course, I will hydrate my hands with the Cocoa Sheer Nourishing Lotion. And yeah, guys, these are all the steps I follow to achieve a professional looking, long-lasting nails. You can go right on Amazon and order some of the things I used. I'm definitely gonna link everything I used in today's video in my description box, so do try and check that out if you're interested. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye. Okay.